Hey friends, today we are making my little twist on pecan pie. This is a pecan cream pie and it's no bake. I have a chocolate no bake crust in here. You can use any low carb or keto crust that you like. It's super quick and easy to make. The hardest part is waiting for it to sit in the fridge overnight. Let me show you how to make it.
In your stand mixer, add some heavy cream, and I'm using vanilla liquid stevia. You can sweeten the whipped cream with whatever low carb sweetener you like. Set this aside, and we're going to use another bowl to add cream cheese and confectioner's sweetener. I'm using Swerve, and I'm also adding sugar-free maple syrup and caramel liquid stevia. You can change out any of these sweeteners using my sweetener guide and conversion chart on sugarfreemom.com. I added a pinch of salt to help balance the flavors, and then I stirred in some chopped pecans. Now we fold in the whipped cream into the cream cheese pecan filling. And once this is fully incorporated, we can add it to our pie crust. I am using my no-bake chocolate pie crust that is also nut-free. You can use any savory or sweet pie crust that you like that's low carb. And I fill it, I top with a little bit of chopped pecans, and I refrigerate. Overnight is best. Once it's refrigerated, I add a little bit more chopped pecans and some homemade sugar-free whipped cream. You can find that whipped cream recipe on my blog, sugarfreemom.com. Super flavorful, easy pecan cream pie, no bake. For more substitutions, you can check sugarfreemom.com. Thanks for watching.